Hey guys, it's happy Monday. Today is the 29th of April. Oh my goodness, we are literally our fourth month down. This week will be May. It's gonna be May. Yes, I'm so excited. The sun is out. It is like literally, if you can't tell by my skin, it is a 90-degree day today. And so of course I'm super sweaty. I went walking at lunch, so I'm pretty sure all that sweat just got down in there, but yeah, it's been a really, really nice day, a really, really nice week so far. And yeah, so we're home now. It's cool in the house, thank goodness. But I'm about to show you guys what we have over here. We just grabbed a little something to pick up. Every single weekend in April was literally busy with something to do or an event or something that was somewhere we had to go. So we didn't necessarily get a chance to really plan anything, but we did take stuff out to defrost. So today we're gonna marinate and get everything seasoned up and ready for tomorrow to make. But today and tomorrow are in the almost the 90 degree. Actually, it is the 90s. Yeah, it's 90 degrees outside. So we're not about to turn on this stove or this oven just yet, but we're definitely going to go ahead and get stuff prepped for when the temperature goes back down into the 70s. And hopefully it can stay that way consistently, until we get back from vacation. So yes, let me go ahead and show you guys the yummy, yummy food that we got for today. Alrighty, so we stopped at one of our favorite Peruvian chicken spots, Polloteca. So we got some of the Peruvian chicken, we got the yuca, the fried Brussels sprouts and carrots in there, and then also the plantains. We have the spicy green sauces and a little bit of the mild yellow sauces to kind of mix together. And yeah, I am super excited because I am super hungry. Definitely been fasting for about 22 hours now, so I'm ready to chow down. And unfortunately, the little app on my that was on my watch isn't there anymore, which kind of sucks, but I love to show you guys, how long I've been fasting and stuff like that. But I guess I'll just show you that it's right now it's 4:13 in the afternoon and that it was 90 degrees basically. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and create my plate and then chow down because I'm definitely hungry. I had 2 cups of coffee today because I was so tired with it being Monday. Usually, the weekend, it's hard to die down from the weekend. But for bubbles, I am definitely doing Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. We got a little bit of yard work we got to finish up. And then my water cup for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and refill this as well. I've been chugging the water today. Chugging! But it's been so good. So yeah. Anyway, so we'll do a little bit of yard work here in a few. And then I'll go ahead and prep the food, kind of season everything up for our proteins for the week. And I'll come back and show you guys that. All right, take care. Hey guys, all right. So it's still Monday the 29th. So it is about 7, maybe 5 minutes to 8. We did a little bit of yard work after we had dinner. So we kind of postponed a lot of the seasonings, but I'm going to show you guys how I'm seasoning a little bit of thin sliced steak. So we pulled this out of the freezer. It has fully defrosted, as you can see, with all the little red juice there at the bottom. So what I'm going to add, I'm going to take it out of this bag, put it in a regular freezer bag that I had it in initially. And I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of the steak seasoning to make sure it has a really good flavor. So I'm going to use some of the Cajun seasoning that I have here. And then some of this vegetable seasoning, which is AKA Mrs. Dash. So any type of salt-free seasoning is usually what I put in vegetable seasoning. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna get started on now. So that way it can already be ready by tomorrow. We still have leftover food from today because it was a whole chicken meal that we did get. So there are 2 pieces still left over, which means that we can still eat on it tomorrow. But I wanted to at least make sure that the steak gets a chance to kind of marinate a bit. So that when I do actually cook it, it won't be, I won't have to rush and try to, season it and marinate it at that time. So and these are just like thin pieces. I think it was like, these are like eye of round or whatever the case is. So thin slices, which shouldn't take long to cook anyway. But I'm going to start off with just a few pieces and add in my seasonings and Worcestershire sauce. And then that way, the seasoning will kind of stick to these little kind of like layers here. I really wanted to get a good flavor. because again, I'm not going to do anything major with it. It's not going to go on the grill or anything else like that. I just kind of wanted to have a good flavor so that when I do cook it, you know, it's not super bland or anything. This stuff is about to make me sneeze. Oh my goodness. And my allergies were not playing doing that yard work either. I was out there sneezing so bad, even though I take nasal allergy spray and the regular allergy medication. So allergies were like, yeah, who you fooling? That's not enough. So I'm gonna make, I did 5 pieces. I think I'm gonna end up making 10 pieces. So I'm not gonna do the entire thing because my husband also marinated some chicken. So I'm only gonna do 10 pieces of this steak. So that's it. So 5 and 5. Perfect. That should be enough to get us through the rest of the week, which is Wednesday. It'll probably be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yep. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That should be enough to last us. And then Saturday we'll, you know, maybe go out to grab a bite to eat or something together. All right, guys. Hopefully your weekend was really good. Ours was nice. You guys kind of saw little clips in the last video. We had a good time at the tacos or tequila and taps little event, and it was really good. I found a new tequila that I actually did like. Had a really good smoky vanilla flavor to it. And I want to say it was called Lila tequila. First time I ever tried it was there, but it had a really good flavor to it. So I definitely think that's something I would try to find when I'm in the store next time. All right, so it's fully seasoned. As you can see, these are 10 pieces. They are thin, but I think this will go perfectly. All right, guys, so here we go. All seasoned and ready to sit in the fridge and just kind of marinate for a little bit, a day or two. And then I still have a few additional pieces I'm gonna stick right back in the freezer until the next time I'm ready to have some steak. But I think 10 should be enough. I don't wanna make the entire thing and then I end up throwing it out because we didn't necessarily eat everything. My hair is growing. Oh my gosh, it's time for a cut. And I am a hot, sweaty, oily mess. So yeah, it's definitely time to hop in that shower. It is time for bed. So I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. All right? So you guys take care. Have a good one. Night.
You dropping that triple size ain't cutting it, bro. Gina, go! Okay? She go! She ain't Pam's, Martin. Pam, you got to do something. I'm getting myself right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is May the 1st. Right now it's about 82 degrees outside and it is hot inside the house. So therefore I didn't cut on any lights. I just have the little stove light on right now. As you can see, it's 4:38 in the afternoon. My husband just finished pan sauteing some chicken, his favorite. And then I did a couple of pieces of those little thin sliced steaks. And then he made mashed potatoes yesterday. Making the mashed potatoes, oh my goodness, had the house so hot. So yeah, I was like, I don't want to turn on my oven. I barely wanted to, you know, use the stove, but hey, we got to get this food made. So this is what we have. As far as greens, I don't have any salad or nothing. So down here, we have a plenty like little greens. So we have like green beans. I think it's mixed veggies in here and stuff like that I can just kind of warm up. Yeah, this is all berries and stuff like that. But stuff like that I can just warm up. I think some broccoli down here too. I got a couple bags of broccoli. So we have something that we can just kind of warm up in the microwave. We don't have to necessarily turn on the stove, and that's going to be perfect. Yeah, so that's what we'll have on the side as well. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys right now for 40. I'm about to meet my girlfriend at the lake at 5:30, her and her kids, so that we can go in and walk around and get a little bit of exercise. I did not walk today. In fact, I didn't even take a lunch at work because it wasn't a really busy day. So I just kind of left early. So I'll definitely be taking a walk tomorrow because we have a full schedule. But for today, we will definitely be walking around the lake and getting some good exercise, especially with it being 82 degrees outside. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, so yep, that's what we have for dinner. That's what's on the menu tonight. But I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel for Thursday, which is going to be the 2nd. All right, guys, let's take care. Bye. All right, guys, I have my nephew with me today. So basically, I am going to be reheating leftovers. We have mashed potatoes my husband made, the steak that I made yesterday, and then he also made some chicken. So I will be having a little bit of everything, including some veggies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just heat up some steamed broccoli. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just leftovers for today. But I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on my channel. My girlfriend is having like a little celebratory dinner tomorrow, so I will definitely be showing you guys what I get. All right, take care. Bye.
Oh, that's why you left. But after we sat down, you know it takes a long time to get free. It's a whole 40 minutes. So we're sitting down. Thank you. Okay. Definitely down there. No, it's still coming today. But at some point he's going to talk about nasty. You knew who it was. Got to. Okay.
You trying to disregard me, huh? Is that a little thing of tippity tap tap tap? Ain't no woman shit. Sure hope they ain't trying to change the rough up.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright, alright. Yeah. Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together